Hi Pro Bono Australia crew, it's Claire DeZero here, and this is video 4 in our series. I head up a training organisation that has been created especially to build the mindset, resilience, capability and leadership of people in generous and change-making careers. So people just like you, people who really care about the impact of your work, people that are no doubt really busy because you know that there's lots of work to be done. So everything that we create, whether it's a workshop, a speech, or tools, or templates or ideas, are all about how you get more out of your day without necessarily adding more to your to-do list. We create simple evidence-based tools that can really help you kind of break through those myths and easy to say things like be more present, be more focused, be more mindful, and actually bring them to life in a practical way that can help you have a bigger impact. So no doubt now, if you're perhaps considering changing jobs or you're checking out the opportunities on this newsletter, is that you may be ready for a change. And what's led up to leading to that change might have led you to be maybe a bit tired, maybe a bit frustrated, or maybe you're just ready for more and hungry for more. Either way, you've no doubt got a really big to-do list and maybe even low energy at this time. And so me asking and suggesting that you add a new idea to your to-do list is going to land like a lead balloon, I know. So what I'm actually going to suggest to you today might surprise you, and that is to can your to-do list. I want you to put your to-do list completely aside, and I want you to check out what we've created for you instead. We've created this free printable for you. So it's a PDF that you can check out at the links below. You can print it out as many times as you like, just to try it out one time a day. And it's actually called a to feel list. So get rid of your to-do list and try out our to feel list. And what this does, it's basically a really different way to actually recognize what you need to get done today. But what we're doing is we're giving you a chance to actually change your brain and how your filters work throughout the day by using an approach like this. What we do is we get you to sort your day into activities that are going to energize you, give you a bit of courage, give you a bit of focus, and actually, like I said, get new neurons firing in your brain. So it's a free printable PDF, and you can follow the links below and check it out. I've had plenty of people using this, and I've just found it's been a really nice way to kind of break up the daily grind and actually notice what's happening each day, while also getting those things that you need to, which are very important, done. So have some fun with it, print it out a few times and maybe try it for the next week and see how you go. We'd love to hear how you find it. Thanks so much. We'll see you next week.